This is a lovely little heater. I like it because it's quiet. That's as much sound as it makes. It's easy to use. It's got different settings. That, I believe, is just the fan. That is the heat setting, which can go up or down. And that's the eco setting. And you can set the thermostat whichever way you want. And let's see. I'm not sure what this is. That's a timer, I believe. I don't think I've used that yet. Minus 62 plus 62. I don't know what that means. But I like it because it's very quiet. And the regular eco setting, it's on temperature. Oh, no, it's a timer. Okay. Yeah, it's easy to use. I just haven't really used all the settings. I like the eco. It goes off automatically when it feels like it's at that temperature. And when you turn it off, it does its own little countdown to cool the coil.
Dreo space heat. It has a timer for 12 hours, 1,500 watts. Has a 3 setting. Right now, H3 is the highest. And then you one more touch, it becomes changed to temperature. And then one more change, just to become air only. So once H3, leave it there, and then you can, then after that, you can just change it to a temperature setting, and then only you have to change the same temperature. This is all automatic. It's called eco mode. Depends how high you set up that temperature, and this automatically calculate how much heat you should use. It's automatically setting, so you don't have to worry about anything. Just adjust the temperature, and that's only you have to do. Now this room is already over 73 degrees. It's automatically shut down right now. My wife used this for under the desk.
Okay, here is the space heater. It is pretty small, but pretty compact, but it still produces great heat. This is my first space heater, so I have nothing to compare it to, but overall I've been really happy because it produces great heat. It heats up the room super fast, and it's not loud at all. It has just a subtle noise to it. So I'm gonna turn it on for you real quick. Everything is located at the top. Right there, it is telling me the temperature that I set it to for the heat for it to produce. I can adjust it at the top. It goes all the way up to 95. I can turn it down. I also can set a manual timer. So basically this is saying in 2 hours, the space heater will shut off automatically. So I am stepping away from the heater.
Hello everyone, this is my bedroom where I have the heater here. I've had it literally like 10 minutes. And where I'm standing now, I'm in front of my desk here in the corner. And when I tell you it's on the eco mode, it is so warm in here that I'm going to probably have to turn it off for a little while. So this little heater is excellent. I'm so glad that I purchased it. And like I said, I've only had it about 10 minutes. And it's on the eco mode here. And
okay, so for anybody interested in purchasing this, it's smaller than you might think. I mean, maybe I don't know. I expected it to be a lot bigger, so it's pretty small, but I haven't tried it yet. I'm sure it'll do the job just fine. I got the gold. It's literally not gold. It's literally silver. It's literally not gold. Where is the gold? It's literally not gold. But yeah, so this is the size. My hand for reference. It's pretty small and it's not gold.
We just got this Dreo heater today. Has a remote control with it. You can turn the heat up or down levels with the remote on however you want it set. You can leave the light on or you can turn the light off after that in the settings. So you can, the heat is blowing out phenomenal. I'd say it's a good, really good heater for the price. And as you can tell, you can't hear it. I hear a plane outside.
Is my review for this heater. So we bought this heater for my son. He is under a year old, and his bedroom just so happens to be the coldest room in the house during the coldest months. So I needed something that would warm up his room a little bit, but not disturb his sleep. So when you turn it on, it's on right now.
So this is how small it is. It reminds me of like a Bluetooth speaker. And this is what I was talking about with the buttons. When it's dark, you can't see up here. So like the marker could fix it. It's easy to turn on. I could already feel it already. It's nice. And then when you turn it off, look at that. It has very quiet.